What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Patio, and we back with another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be I'm gonna be power washing my backyard or my porch. I'll be pulling up that rug like I told y'all before. We're gonna pull the rug up and then we're gonna pretty much go from there. We don't need to put this out there because I don't feel like unless that against something. Ooh. All right, Clark, go this way. Go that way. Yeah, probably. I don't need to move that shit too far. Man, yeah, exactly. Man, you're leaving. That shit.
Yeah, Kari, look.
Can they see the floor? Let's see if they see the floor. All right, Carl, you gotta go.
Yeah.
That way. Go that way on mommy. Right, so I need you to hold on to that play thing. Hold on to it, but you gotta move your feet. Carl, move. I need you to.
Where the grill was ugly too.
Yeah, right, Carl, I need you to go there with mommy.
Come over here.
I probably gotta take 2 trips because this shit heavy. All right, so today, I told y'all before what we gonna do. We was gonna do we was gonna pull the rug up and we was gonna do wherever the rug was at. You see how dirty this is. Plus, a little bit of the moss came back, like all the green stuff. And I don't know, these flies is going crazy out here. Drinking blood and flying in people's face. So I'm gonna get rid of them today. We're gonna put some bug spray down. Probably ain't gonna work like that, but we're gonna do a little bit of something. All right, let's get this on the road. So we're gonna go through plugging it up. We got it plugged up already. We're gonna the hose is already on, but they're not on. So we usually got like a switch that we use to turn it on, for like the hose to be on or off, but it's already on. So, all right. So like I told you before, we about to set everything up. You start off by coming down here, twisting this, twist the hose on. The hose is not on, so you gotta say you don't want to turn the hose on right now. To the pressure washer, we're gonna keep the pressure washer. Like I said, you don't want the pressure washer getting too wet. I don't want it to break. We'll have it in the corner. Yeah, so what we're gonna do first, let's get it plugged up first and then we'll see what we're gonna do after. So it has a spot for everything. Got a spot right here for that. I think one of the things came off the other day. Now yeah, I put it back on. Yo, these flies is out here going crazy. All right, so ever since I pulled the rug up, it's like a whole bunch of flies, like non-stop flies flying around here. So if you can see this part right here, we're gonna plug this into the front of the thing. So I know it's not no tutorial video, but we're just gonna give y'all a little rundown of what we're gonna be doing. Plug it up to the front, and then when you're done, you just flick this switch, and you'll be good. But we're gonna run this all the way up. Run it all the way up. So you got the ants out. The ants coming to come search. I guess it was some good nutrients down there. We're gonna put that in. Start running this up real quick. All right, now we got everything plugged up. I think everything should be good. All I had to do is just turn it on. Everything right now. The last time I was doing this, I did a 40. I did the 40 all the way through. It was good, but let's do a 15. We're not gonna go to no 0. Ain't no point in going down to 0. Let's go to a 15. Let's start hitting these things real quick. All right, so I'm hitting this corner right here. Because I want to get into like an angle so that I don't knock everything over. That's what I did over there. So I'm going to knock all this out and then I'm going to come back and hit that cooler part. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see, but I had to make sure I hit that junk a certain way so that because the dirt washed off, but when the dirt washed off, it was you just gotta make sure that you hitting the right things. You gotta make sure you're hitting the right things. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the deep dive into pretty much how it looked. Now y'all can really see how, you know, it really looked, man. But like I said, I hit this already, so I'm trying to hit this, so I'm gonna have to move this cooler. The cooler was holding the, let me see something. Don't want to, I had to get that off a little bit. What's the name of the cooler? Damn. All right, so now we about to bleach everything. Like I said, I'm about to bleach it. First time doing it, like I said, we're gonna see how this young roll. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, now that's definitely.
That is very satisfying.
Yeah, nah, it definitely is. I'm about to. If we don't open it, I said if we don't use it all, I'm gonna put some over there too. Huh? Well, wow. So what? What you say?
The umbrella's still getting hit.
Oh, it's still getting hit. Nah, I'm done with this joint anyway. All right, so yeah, I forgot to show y'all me rinsing the bleach off, so I'm just gonna show y'all the rest. All right, it's a little stain right here. He wanna play, so we gonna play with him. We gonna play. Ah, shit, my fucking nose ring. Gotta clean it when I get on. Gone. Gone, that boy gone. All right, we gonna turn this real quick. Hit the I said before, like I said, we putting everything on. We're gonna do the grill, and then from the grill, we should be good. I think I'm gonna throw this broom away. All right, we about to pull this grill back up.
Damn, there's mad water inside.
What else out here?